My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube. These are really short. I give you the information you want in a short period of time. If you don't file your tax returns and you get a notice to file your tax returns, what's the next step? IRS has just besieged the U.S. mail and sending out notices about the 2023 tax return. It's like unprecedented. I've been doing this for 53 years. I worked at IRS 10. I've actually written a book. I'm not selling this book. I'm just showing you like I know what I'm talking about, okay? So anyway, if you don't file that tax return, IRS is going to file your tax return. You have to know that IRS can file your tax return. What happens when they do that? So let's say you get a notice, an LT notice, LT 59, whatever, and they say we want these returns. You may have got a 2023 return to file that return, even though you haven't filed 6 or 7 or 8. At that point in time, IRS says, well, this is our last shot. We've gone ahead, we sent that notice out. Now we're just, by the way, your case is still in the computer. Not a person's working this case. So the computer just prepares your return and then sends you a bill. And now you're stuck with this bill you have to pay. You know it's wrong, so now IRS is forcing your hand, and now they're going to come out with enforcement. IRS, at some point, if you don't respond to this notice, is going to start the levy, the lien, the garnishments, take your passport. IRS will do whatever they have to get your attention. All IRS is doing is trying to get your attention. That's it. If you do not wake up and you don't call IRS or have someone call them, IRS just runs the enforcement gamut, and guess what? The case is still in the computer system. It hasn't left. It's programmed to go ahead and just spit everything out. When you call them, then the case finally gets assigned to someone, or someone will start working your case. So if you haven't filed your returns, this is what you're going to expect. All you got to do is get the returns filed and pick up the phone. That's it. And you stop the IRS enforcement. But with that, you have to give them a financial statement so they can close the case. That means shut down the complete enforcement. How's your case going to end? With a payment agreement, being put in a hardship, or maybe settle the debt through the offer. If you need me, call me. But that's what's going on. Thank you so much. Now you know the truth. Don't believe half the crap you hear on the internet. I'm a former agent. I know what I'm talking about. Give me a subscription if you would. Appreciate you.